Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review a luxury cosmetics brand that is from Germany, and they are now retailing their products in India also, and that is Janssen Cosmetics. I recently got a travel kit sent to me by them, and I have been using these products for the past 2 weeks to be completely sure of what I really feel about them, and that is it's only now that I have come to you guys with my completely honest review about it. So yeah, I got the travel kit sent in this pouch. It's a very fancy, nice little pouch, and in here there is a cleanser, um, a demanding skin, optimal tinted complexion cream, and a balancing cream for combination skin. I have got oily to combination skin, so that's why I was sent this set. There are different sets for different skin tones. They have kept in mind all the major skin tones we have and skin types we have. They have also a range for problematic skin types, means that they are not there's sensitive, dry, combination, oily, and there's also problematic skin type when you have dry skin on one day and another day it's super oily, sometimes it's super sensitive, and those problems, they have a different range for that too. And I also got sent the Melafadine cleansing powder. This does not come in the travel kit. This was sent separately. So the travel kit consists of these three products. So I'll talk about them first and then come back to the cleansing powder. Sounds interesting, right? So yeah, this cleanser is a clarifying cleansing gel. The consistency of it is really nice. It's a very gel, of course it's a gel, so the consistency is like this, and this doesn't lather up at all. This feels like water, exactly like water. And I clean my face twice daily with this one. At night when after I remove my makeup, I just go on with this cleanser, and it really does remove all the excess makeup that might be there on my skin, and which was a real surprise for me, because gel cleansers okay, but if the cleanser doesn't foam up, we usually have the idea that it is not cleansing or cleaning our makeup properly. But this doesn't foam up even a bit, but it does clean all the residue makeup I have on my skin, which I love. Some gel cleansers that are meant for oily or combination skin may tend to make your skin dry in some patches, but this doesn't do that. And I just love the smell of this whole range. This smells so luxurious, exactly luxurious. So yeah, and then coming back to the balancing cream, this is just simple white cream like this, and it just goes into the skin. This feels like water. Every product of it feels like water on your skin. It doesn't feel like anything, and it just goes inside your skin. You just need the tiniest pea size amount for your whole face. The amount I showed you was the exact amount I use for my whole face. So in the morning you can use this optimal tinted balancing complexion cream. This is a bit tinted. It will not give you the finish of a BB cream or anything. It just helps to even out your base for your BB cream or foundation, whatever you are applying, and it is super light. Not complexion wise, but super light in texture, and even this goes into the skin. This has got SPF of 10, which is good for the weather we have all the time in India. So it just makes a very nice base for my BB cream or foundation or whatever I'm applying. So these three come as a set in the travel kit. The travel kit is for 900 rupees right now. I will link all the details in the description box below. Go and check them out. And you can order them online on their website and they will get the product delivered to your home. You have got personalized things for all your needs. And one thing I have to tell you, that when I started using it, after a week I started my periods, and usually when I get my periods I do tend to get at least one or two pimples or bumps on my skin. This time I had none. I was using this range at that time and I had none of my breakouts. My face was completely clean. See, no bumps, nothing. So along with these, I have continued my usual skin regime of scrubbing with rice flour. I have some DIY scrubs. If you want to see the DIY scrubs, comment down below and I'll do a separate video for you. I scrub my face twice a week, deep exfoliation, and I apply face mask also twice a week. So if you want to see a separate video for it, comment down below. Yeah, that was all I had to say about these products. I have been blown over by how nice and subtle they are. You don't need a lot. This has already lasted me 3 weeks using twice a day, and this is 30 ml bottle, and the smaller packs, the creams, are for 15 ml each. You just need a tiniest amount of drop for your face, and that's why these last a long. So it's worth your investment. So now coming to the most interesting part of the video, they have also sent me this Melafadine cleansing powder. There was another pouch of it, and this pouch is for 1 gram, but really you don't need more than just maybe 0.001 grams of it. First thing that caught my eyes was like cleansing powder. Okay, cleansing gel, cleansing balm, cleansing everything we have seen. This is the cleansing powder. So yeah, this is a powder. When you pour it, it's like a powder. You just need to add some water to it. It's just plain simple water. And you start scrubbing it, and it becomes, the granules dissolve and it becomes like any other cleansing gel, not a gel but other cleansing products you may use. This has got vitamin C, so I think this was the main reason that helped me in maintaining my skin during my periods and not breaking me out, because this has got vitamin C, and after I used it left my skin to be very radiant and glowing. Whenever I usually have used this twice a week, it just made my skin so very radiant and glowing. Like my skin had the perfect base. I didn't have to do much of a makeup when I went out for a date, and I was like, okay, my skin is like really glowing. So this is a very interesting product. I will give it to you that it is not my usual affordable skincare, affordable makeup range. This is a luxury brand, because the travel kit itself costed around 900 rupees. I will have all the links in the description bar. But what I'm really interested in is the cleansing powder. I am gonna spend every penny of mine and buy the actual size product of it, because this has really transformed the way my skin used to be. My skin is now radiant, and seriously, I myself have seen such of a difference to my skin. I am gonna buy it. And if you want to know anything more about these products, where to get it, anything, I will link it down below. And if you have any other questions, do leave your questions in the comment section below. I will try and get back to you guys. And for more such videos, helpful videos, like this channel and subscribe to my channel and get the notifications on. There is a bell sign. Click on that bell sign and get your notifications on. And I hope you guys are having a nice day so long. Till the next time. Bye.